What is going on, everyone? My name is Tamara T. I am a 7-figure Amazon FBA seller. In this YouTube video, I will be breaking down for you step by step exactly how I first found my winning product to sell on Amazon FBA. There are so many ways to do Amazon product research, but people keep asking me this question over and over again, and that is, Tamara, how exactly did you first find your winning product to sell on Amazon? This video is a little different than what I normally teach, so make sure you guys stick around to the very end because it's so easy to apply, and this works for you even if you are on your second product, third product, or even your fourth product. Hey guys, today we will be using AliExpress.com, Helium 10 Magnet, Amazon.com, and Alibaba.com so I can walk you through step by step how I came across my very first Amazon FBA product that was a winning product that made me over $10,000 in net profit every single month. Now, this is a different type of tutorial. If you guys have been watching my other previous Amazon product research videos on my channel, you know that I typically do not teach this way of finding products. However, a lot of you guys have asked me how I found my products, so here is the story on how I did it. I will also give you tips on how you can use this for yourself as well, so you can find your very own winning product. So the first thing I did was go to AliExpress.com. Now, I know this is not common, but back in the day, I really had no guidance. So I thought, okay, I was shopping on AliExpress.com anyway, let's just take a swing at it and see where this takes me. So on AliExpress.com, I typed in children's toys. I don't know why, but I felt like selling a children's toy. I think it was because a lot of my friends were starting to have kids, and I thought, okay, well, everybody knows of a child or has friends with kids, family members with kids. So obviously, kids' products are going to sell year round. If you guys have been listening to anything I've been saying on my channel, I always recommend you guys to find products to sell that are year round. So you want to stay away from seasonal products, which are like Christmas products or Halloween products or Valentine's Day products, because that's only good for sale for a season, right? You want to sell a product that you can sell year round, which is why I opted to sell children's toys. Now, when I looked at children's toys, I found a product that I really liked. But today, I'm not going to reveal to you my product. I will just use a dummy product to walk you through exactly what I did to find my winning product. So let's pretend that we are selling these unicorn toys, okay? This is a unicorn kind of ornament, a toy or doll, and this is geared towards girls specifically. So when I first sold my toy product, it was geared towards girls specifically, but if I can give you some advice here, I highly recommend you to sell products that are for both genders, boys and girls, because that way you have a higher chance to make more money, and it's not geared towards just one gender. By the way, if you guys are new to selling on Amazon and you do not know where to start, I encourage you to click on the free training link below to get my free Amazon training for beginners. Enter your name, enter your email address, and watch this free webinar to the very end, because at the end of the call, you get to book a free one-on-one call with my team, and I will walk you through the entire process on how I found winning products to sell on Amazon over and over again. Okay, so let's pretend that I want to sell a unicorn toy. And the key thing here to remember is that you want to niche down. So by niching down, we have children's toys, but what kind of children's toys do we want to sell, right? If you are looking for sports products or gym products, what kind of gym products? So that's exactly what I mean by going niche down. You want to pick a specific type of product within children's toys. So in my case, it's unicorn toys, unicorn dolls, you get the idea. Next, you want to pull up your Helium 10 software tool. If you guys do not have Helium 10 yet, I highly recommend you to download this software because it comes with everything you need to run your Amazon FBA business. So download this software. You can get 20% off for 6 months by using my discount code right here that you see on the screen. I will also link this in the YouTube description below. Just click on the link to get that coupon and to get 20% off. go to tools, and then go to magnet keyword research. So what we want to do here is look at the keyword unicorn toys and see what we can find. Unicorn toys. What this is doing is that Magnet is scraping all of the keywords that are related around unicorn toys to help us find multiple things. One thing we're looking for is demand. Product demand. How many people are looking for unicorn toys every single month? That will be shown to us under search volume. So you want to sort the search volume from big to small. As you can see, there are a lot of keywords that come up that are not related to unicorn toys. It's related to like Squishmallow or Halloween or Barbie. This is not unicorn toys. So what we want to do is focus only on unicorn, right? So let's only look at phrases containing unicorn. And then you want to apply filters. So if you are selling gym products, maybe you want to look at phrases containing water bottles or phrases containing gym bags or yoga mats or gym gear or weights or something like that, right? You want to only focus on that phrase that you are trying to find. And in my case, it's unicorn toys. So I'm going to apply filters. So now it will filter all of the keywords that are related to unicorn because I want to sell something that is only related to a unicorn toy or doll. Now, earlier we saw a lot of keyword phrases on the left-hand side that did not make sense. And the reason for that is because since Magnet is just scraping keywords, it's just picking up any keywords from any product listing on Amazon that may have came up when people search for unicorn. Maybe on a unicorn toys product listing, someone wrote a review and it had the word Barbie or Halloween on it. So that's why all of those unrelated keywords were popping up on the left-hand side, which is why, again, we want to filter exactly what we are looking for. So search volume is how many times this keyword has been searched every month because we are looking for demand, right? And the second thing we are looking for is more product ideas. So for demand, there are 32,000 searches every month for unicorn toys, which in my opinion is really good. What you do not want are keywords that are only showing like 1,000 searches per month. So if my biggest keyword only has 1,000 searches per month, that is a really bad product because that means not a lot of people are looking for this every month. And when people are not looking for your product, you do not make money on Amazon, right? So you want to find products that have good demand and low competition. I know you probably heard that before, but this is a good product to kind of use as an example to show you that, hey, there are a lot of different types of unicorn products and there's a lot of variations we can create and the search volume is good. It's not low search volume like all of these other products down here. So for example, I probably want to stay away from unicorn makeup. It's just not searched that often, right? So let's go back up here. I want to look for unicorn toys for girls. And this is the perfect keyword to do our research because it has good demand. So all I do is open up this keyword right here, click on this little arrow, and it will bring us to Amazon.com and it will pull up all of the unicorn toys for girls. Now, the next thing you want to do, and the next thing that I did after confirming that, yes, there are a lot of keywords I can work with, and yes, there are a lot of other product ideas related to a unicorn, I want to look at the total sales revenue, and I also want to look at profit margins because what good is it to sell a product on Amazon if there are no profit margins, right? At the end of the day, you are buying inventory and then you are sending it to Amazon's warehouse. And after all the fees, you are left with profit. So there has to be profit for us to feel comfortable moving forward to source this on Alibaba.com. So without looking down page one, all I am going to do is pull up my Helium 10 Chrome extension. Make sure you guys have Helium 10 Chrome extension installed as well on top of the software tool. All right, so you need the software tool and you need the Helium 10 Chrome extension because right here we will be using X-Ray. And X-Ray is showing us all of the information for products on page one. So let's sort this from big to small. You guys are going to do exactly the same for your product idea. And now it is showing me so many types of unicorn products. And this is the average monthly revenue that sellers are making. Like, this is completely insane. It says here that the average revenue for each seller is over $121,000 per month. And this is only revenue, which is why next step, we have to figure out the profit margin for our product. So next, I went to look at, okay, what type of unicorn toy do I actually want to sell? Because there are so many different kinds, right? We have, this is like a mini garden magical unicorn gift. Okay, this is interesting. I don't know what that is, but it looks cool. This is Polly Pocket, and this is a really big brand. I don't think this is supposed to show up here. Nope, it's not. So we want to remove it because it's not really focused on a unicorn product. It's just a Polly Pocket toy that includes a small little unicorn type of toy. So we want to remove that. Forgot to mention, you should remove any products here that are not related to your product. And now it dropped our monthly revenue on average to $113,000, which is still a lot of money, right? So let's look at what type of product we want to sell. So we have makeup, and remember, the unicorn makeup is not good, right? We figured that out down here. Unicorn makeup only has 1,600 searches per month. Even though the seller is making a lot of money, this seller is very likely to be making a lot of the money for makeup. So we want to move along. And let's just use an example here. This is a remote control. No, I do not want to sell an electronic. What is this? This is a necklace. Ooh, okay, I like this product. So I'm going to be using this product as an example to show you the next steps. Now, this can be a unicorn gifts for girls, as you can see right here, unicorn gifts. It can be somewhat like a toy. It can be a necklace or jewelry. And I already know that just by reading off those few main keywords, it will work really well with what the keywords are saying right here. So there's unicorn toy, unicorn toys for girls. What else can be related to that product? Unicorn gifts, that was another one, right? Gift bag, decor. It's not really decor, but you guys get the idea. You want to choose a product that people are looking for. So I'm just going to choose the necklace right here, and it's on sale for $21.99. So let's click on that product listing. And let's find the profit margin for this product. So again, you want to go to your Helium 10 Chrome extension, profitability calculator. Let's look at the profit margins. I can already tell that this product has a really high profit margin because, well, I've been selling for a few years now, so I automatically know this. But I can tell right away because this is a small product. It's a light product. It's not a product that can break easily. It's a product that is very high in demand because a lot of girls like unicorn products. It's a product that is easy to source and easy to differentiate because you can always make this a different shape, color, size, letter, whatever. And that already tells me that this is a good product idea. So we want to find the profit margins. I wanted to point out everything I just said because just so you know, if you sell products that are smaller and lighter, you get charged less in Amazon FBA fees, which is a huge advantage to you if you are an Amazon seller. You pay Amazon less fees. So let's go back to profitability calculator and check that out. Wow, okay, so the net profit for every single necklace sold is about $11, just under $11. So every time a customer buys this product, the seller makes about $11 per unit, and the profit margin is almost 50%. This is beautiful, you guys. So I just found this product within a few minutes. I know you guys can do the same if you just copy everything that I am saying in this video. So this is really good news. And I can sort of already tell that this product is probably not expensive to source. So if we look right here, Helium 10 is estimating that the cost per unit is $4.40, which is really good. Like, that's not bad. What you don't want to do is source a product that's too expensive, because if you source a product that's like $7 and then you order 500 units, that's easily $3,500. So you want to keep your price per unit low. So the next step is, okay, everything looks like it checks out. So the next step is to go to Alibaba.com and see how much this product actually costs to source. Then we can get a good idea whether or not we should move forward with the product. So this is unicorn necklace for girls. So if we go to Alibaba.com, we will type in exactly those keywords, unicorn necklace for girls, and see what comes up. So here's all the necklaces that popped up. Make sure you guys check off trade assurance on the left-hand side because you only want to deal with trade assurance suppliers. This way you are protected if your order goes wrong. So looking here, there are so many different types of unicorn necklaces. This looks very similar to the one we are looking at right here, except this one is 14K gold. So what you want to do is find a unicorn necklace, since this is the product that we decided on, and then message the supplier and tell them what you want to be the packaging, tell them what you want customized, add your logo to it, and then they can give you a final quote on how much it costs. But the cost here is looking pretty good. It's anywhere from less than $1 to, I would say, $2 to $3 max. We keep going down, like, well, that's Hello Kitty. Oh, is this one it? This looks like our necklace, you guys. Look at that. Is that our necklace? Yes, it is. That is our necklace. And you can source this for as high as $2.94. So look at that. You can buy it from anywhere starting at $1.27 to $2.94. And there you go. It looks like this seller customized the product and added a letter to it. So if you want to customize your product, you can do that as well. But to me, you guys, this is so affordable. Okay, the profit margins are so high. You are sourcing it for $1.27-ish, right? And then you are selling it for $21.99. So if we plug it into here, let's open this up again. Our unit manufacturing cost is $129. And then freight costs, you will have to ask your supplier or freight forwarder, depending on who you want to use to ship your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse. But I'm just going to leave this here for now. And if we even want to market lower for our price, so customer buys our product, this is over 60% profit margin, you guys. Like, this is a really good product. So this is exactly how I found my first winning product on Amazon. I went through all of these hoops to make sure that what I am looking at is worth selling. And then the most important thing is to make sure that you have profit margin, right? This is the most important thing. The next most important thing is to know that you can afford it. Because if this product was anywhere from like $7 to $9, I would just stop this right here and then go back to AliExpress and then look for a different type of product and then do everything all over again, because we do not want to waste time on sourcing products if we feel like we cannot afford it, right? If we cannot afford our product, why are we doing all of the research? It makes no sense. So I hope this video has helped you guys look for your very first winning product to sell on Amazon FBA. I promise you, it is not difficult. After you try a few times, you will find your winning product. Please help me give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, you guys. I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.